Hey, how's it going, sir? So this is the video for question 1 of the Biochem CPT, where I have to draw and explain the process an enzyme goes through when it reacts to the substrate. So before the reaction happens, you're going to have your enzyme, which is right here, with its coenzyme and its cofactor, which are going to help catalyze the breakdown of the substrate. And also, you're going to have your allosteric activator, which is going to keep the active site open for the substrate to bind to. So in step 1, the substrate is going to bind to the active site on the enzyme, and then in step 2, the functional groups or the substrate's functional groups are attached to the functional groups of the enzymes in the active site, and this interaction is going to cause or induces the enzyme to change shape to fit the substrate, and this is called induced fit. And you can see the enzyme in this depiction is a little bit more wrapped around the substrate and it's more tight. And in step 4, the enzyme weakens the bonds of the substrate, which then changes the conformation of the enzyme slightly. So you can see the enzyme is breaking the bonds of the substrate, and it's you can see the crack there that it made, and the enzyme forms the bonds between the substrates, which then change the conformation of the enzyme slightly. And in step 5, it loses attraction for the product molecules and releases them. So you can see the broken apart substrate is then released from the enzyme's active site. Thanks.